right. Good. Let's get a mega in there. Come on, words. All right, Ultra Spins. MSC Seaside. Wait a minute. Are we on Seaside? What are we on?
No, we're on Seashore.
Seashore, my bad. I don't even know where I'm at. Middle of the ocean somewhere. Come on, let's get a minor. Minor's 500. Mini's 250.
Ooh, that's good.
That little birdie is gonna help us out a little bit.
Yeah.
Come on, drop them in there.
What? Come on.
Oh my word, what is going on?
Oh my God.
It's your last spin. All that minty spots. Come on, there we go. All right, birdie, where you at? There you are. Bring it up big. Oh, that's a good one.
Yeah, there.
6250. 625, I mean. All right, good. Where's the birdie at? Oh my God, this button. Oh, I seen that mini go by.
Oh, come on.
Bring it up, 1250 there. Oh my God, this button. Come on, drop it in there. Bring it up, big numbers. 125, not very much. There we go. That's a good one.
Woo, that's good.
That's three. Bring it up. Come on, big numbers. Big numbers. Keep going. Yeah, just one of them. Come on, drop it in there. All right, big number, big number. Yeah, 1250. All right, come on, birdie, big numbers. Yeah, small one. 375. That's a good one. Button. Come on, need a word in here.
Okay, we'll hit the bird.
All right, that's a good one. Really need a word in here. Come on, minor, major. Which the major is 574, the minor is 500.
We have one more spin.
Really like to get that.
One more spin. Come on, drop it, drop it. Oh.
All right, good. Back on track. All right. No birdie that time. Yeah, no birdie that time.
Come on, drop something. Drop
Come
it.
on.
Drop it. Oh, no, one more.
All
Oh.
right, we got the birdie. 50. All right, last spin. Come on, stick it. All right, we got the birdie again.
Okay.
That's a little one. Ooh, 1250. That's a good one. Yeah, keep going. All right. That's a good win. Boom. Thought it'd be a little better, but that's all right.
Mr. Robert. Mr. Robert.
All right. 431. Not horrible on $12. We'll take it. Thumbs up for that one. All right, double up. MSCC show.
It's stuck.
10,000 right
It'll
here.
go.
Right here.
It's stuck.
It'll go. What the hell's wrong with it? Wake up, machine.
No, Jim,
Wake
it's
up.
stuck. It's stuck.
Double up, 960 back. Let's do it. Hit it.
Finally.
Hit it. You gotta hit it hard. There you go. The button's being stupid.
That's $10,000 right here.
That'd be nice. Gotta fill that thing up. You gotta
go.
punch it. $5. Come on. Come on. Give me a big one. $15. Come on. I need that mini minor to show up. Major. You gotta punch it, honey. Punch it. Punch it.
Honey, I am.
Punch it. There you go. Punch it again.
Break it.
It's not working.
Punch it. Watch this. Move. Move. Boom. That didn't work
Yeah.
either.
Watch this. It's not working.
Let me do gentle. 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 Freaking machine, man. Hit another button. Maybe another button will work. No? How about one of these?
Motherfucking machine. Did it fall out?
Nah, the button is stupid. Let me try it again. Oh my God, these machines, I tell you. There it
There we
goes.
go.
15 bucks, 15 bucks, 30 bucks. That's all we got here. 35 bucks there.
It is. You gotta watch. I'm not even gonna play.
These are all baby ones, man. We need a big one. Come on. Big one. Drop a word in there.
Good luck, guys.
All right, you too. Come on, drop a word in there. Oh, my word. Only got one left.
Right here. Right here. Minnie right there. Minnie.
Top
Minnie.
and bottom.
Drop it, drop it, drop it. What?
Oh.
Oh my, oh.
Top's done.
Two more.
Ooh, sorry, we got
Top's done. A lot of real estate up there.
Bottom.
No, I don't. I ain't winning crap.
You did it the right way. Then you get filled.
10 bucks.
You have to fill all of those to get that.
The whole block to get the grand.
Congratulations.
15 bucks. That's a good one. Come on, we need a word.
We're gonna have our house awards and surprise
I
tomorrow.
see the miner keep going by.
See you tomorrow.
Come on. 5 bucks. Come on, you gotta do
The
better than
next
5
10
bucks,
minutes we're gonna
man.
have our Paradise Lotto drawing. If you're not playing, you can buy your tickets now. at the
Oh my
casino.
word, last one.
Due to the lottery line, you can stand a chance to win a grand jackpot.
10 bucks. Hey, here we go. 10 bucks. Hey, 3 more.
Come on. Drop it, drop it, drop it.
Oh boy. I can play like I'm playing the piano. Sheesh. Hey, that worked that time. Drop it.
Woo! All right,
Alright,
three
5 more
tries.
bucks.
Come on, get it. Get it, get it, get it, get it. Come on.
And
Woo!
I only see one.
Good.
Come on, be in there, will ya? Show up.
Make you wait.
This stress from this button should give it to us.
Right here.
Show up.
Boom.
Oh.
That's a baby one, man. Dang. All right. That's a baby one. Couldn't get no word.
There goes back in.
Yeah. Apparently everybody knows them. All right, 195. Little baby one. Thanks for watching. All right. I got to make a couple bonuses here. Extra pointers, free games. Kitty cat game, don't know what it's called. Let's see what happens. 2 extra pointers. Come on. All right, 3. 2. Come on, big ones. 3. 3 is what I want. 3. Ooh. 1. Yeah. Come on, 3. Ooh, I got 3. All right. Nice. All right. So let's hope this is a big one. Come on. Big numbers. Bunch of games. Not very much. I need that 50 or 15. I didn't get it. Dang. All right, 21 games. Let's go. Times 10 is what I'm looking for. Or maybe times, no, it's times 2. Times 2, nothing. Come on. $4.80 bad. Times 10. Come on. Alright. Got a little kitty cat, sir. I think that times 10 is hard to get.
Meow.
Ooh, I got a kitty cat. That's a good one. Heck yeah. I'm guessing kitty cat is the best symbol. Alright, 70 bucks. Nothing. How many games are there? 6 to 21. Bunch of collars. Come on, come on, keep going, keep going. Alright, alright, not too bad. It's 12. That's pretty good. So you only get the coins when the eyeball shows up in the first reel, and then you gotta get them all in line. Well, not in line, but on each reel. Come on, come on, keep going, keep going. Alright, alright. That's another good one. That's good. 9 and 21, got 171 bucks so far. Come on, keep going. Okay, that's it. Come on, eyeball. No, didn't do it that time. You have to see the big numbers are on the fifth reel. Alright, 13 and 21 here. Almost there. Tuna can. Need that eyeball to show up and get them coins all the way across. 16 and 21. Nah, I didn't get that one. Come on, eyeball. Nope. Kitty cats. Alright. That's a good one. Alright, 230 so far. 18 and 21. Come on. Oh, missed it. Come on, eyeball. One more game after this. Need the eyeball. No, didn't get it. Oh, I got a bunch of collars. That's pretty good. Times 2 on that one. That's it. That's pretty good. $288.60. $4.80 bet. Not too bad. Not too bad for that bonus. I'm running free play here. Let's see how much I got left. I'm gonna cash out. Put 90 bucks in free play in. I got 62 left. Alright. So I'm gonna take that 295 and I'm gonna keep playing. So I gotta go through this 58 bucks now. $8 bet. Big numbers there. $4.80. And try 10 cents. See what 10 cents all about. $8. Oh, do it, do it. Oh, okay. All right, a little bit. A little bit. 23 bucks. Oh, no. Dang. That would have been great. It's $200 bills sitting there. That's not too bad. I think I'm gonna cash out, folks. I'm gonna cash out. I got $7.90 and $2.95. That's over 300 bucks. Free play. I started with 90 bucks free play. I'm gonna take that. Thumbs up. Thanks for watching, folks. Kismet Cat. The big old wheel up there. That's what it's called. See you on the next one. Double up time. Gonna be amazing. $3.52. Bet. See if we can get some words in there. Many for 40. Got a minor. Got a minor in there for 80. Man, you need one at the bottom, like now. Bottom. Alright, thank goodness. up top. There you go, down the bottom.
Bottom, babe.
All right, back on 3. Bottom.
Alright, now we need the bottom.
You want the bottom.
Last spin for the time.
Got it.
Oh, good.
At the bottom.
Come on, bottom. Oh, bottom's done.
Bottom's done. Bottom says no more.
Uh-oh. Okay. No.
That's it. No more. Alright, well, got $104 out of it. $3.52 bet. $104. Not horrible, we'll take it. Alright, a couple spins later, extra spins decided to go off.
5% extra spin.
Let's see if we can get a word in here. Mini's 40, miner's 80. Starting with 3 apparently. At 509, that's $10.
Oh, boy.
Come on, miner, drop in there. How about a major? Have you ever gotten a major on this game?
We have not.
Well, you need one right now. $2 there. Come on. Drop it.
Last one.
Good. There's a mini. All right, $40 for the mini. Went to get a minor or a major. All right, 2 more spots. Let's do it. This is grand.
Drop it. It's down here now. Drop. Last one.
Good. I'm not gonna break 100 this time. $88, $3.52 bet.
Bad.
Not too bad.
Now we just need to get ultra spin.
Give it a shot. See if we can get lucky. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, you didn't get that bottom right one. That's too bad. Oh, okay. 760. All 3 right now. Do it. $10 there. Come on, all three. Hey, got it. Oh, $1.76. Okay, well, hell, we got all three bonuses. One at a time, unfortunately, not all at the same time. $1.76. See if we can get lucky and get a word to drop here. $2. Already gonna bring it up $2. Come on, Birdie, where you at? Birdie, bring my bigger $1. Come on, you better now. $3 there. Whoa, $4. Birdie being quite generous. Got it. 3 more. Get 10 grand.
That for
$10.
$1.76.
Yeah. Oh, $10 on that one. Thank you, Birdie. I always like those expensive bets.
Oh my God,
right?
$40.
$40. Whoa. You gonna break 100 on this one?
Yeah.
Wow, you are.
Oh, I am.
Wow.
$1.76. Very good.
Look there, that's better than that last one you did. And you were like $3 or $4 bet. Look at there, folks. $126.76 bet. That's a good win. $1.76. You got all three now. You want to call it, or what do you want to do?
Yeah. Let's do my little back spin.
Do that right now. All the way. Yeah, okay. All right, we're going to call this one, folks. We got all three bonuses. Sometimes you can sit here for a long time and try to get these rockets to go. But thanks for watching, folks. See you on the next one. All right.
Let's see what happens.
Free games. $5 bet.
Ooh.
See if we can get lucky and get them trains.
Need something amazing.
Pig in the middle. Nope, not that.
Pig.
Need them trains in the middle. There you go. 5 more games. Come on, trains. There it is. All right. Good. Let's get a mega in there. Come on, words.
Anything.
Words. No words.
Great.
Yeah.
$5.
Yeah, we need a word in there. There you go. All right, come on, word. Show up.
Oh.
All right, well, 15 is better than anything else you got. Come on. All right.
Wow.
3 left. We can get it.
Wow.
All right, 208 for a bonus and a bonus is pretty good. See if it can happen again. That'd be nice. We got 3 more left.
Yep. Oh, no.
Dollar sign.
Aw. Wow.
Last one.
Wow.
That's it.
320.
All right, 320. Not too horrible on $5. We'll take it. Thanks for watching.